good evening, everyone, and welcome to the second segment of the Upnliveshow. DJ All-Star told us that we have two special guests in studio. And I'm not going to introduce the special guest, especially the female. I'm going to ask her to introduce herself. Right? So just waiting on our engineer to just fix things on the camera end. Ivan, big up yourself. Good to go.
Ivy.
Right.
Hey guys.
Hello, beautiful.
Hello.
And welcome to the Upnliveshow.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, and who are you? Tell us
Okay.
who are you?
I am Esther.
And?
I'm here today to present my event, which is called Judgment Free Friend Zone.
Mm-hmm.
And to my right here, I've got the lovely Locksmith. He's one of my rappers that I'm featuring.
Cool. Judgment-free friend zone. What is that?
Yeah, okay, so basically, it's a concept I came up with a couple of years ago when I had an original music project. And me and my business partner wanted to create a platform where we could perform with other artists that were of a similar genre.
Mm-hmm.
So we were working in like hip hop, R&B, electronic music, that kind of thing.
Mm.
And it just kind of like really naturally evolved. Like we were on the open mic circuit, like, you know, a lot of people pay their dues that way, don't they?
Yes.
Yeah, we were like, let's put a show together. We knew lots of really great artists, and it just happened really authentically, really easily. And yeah, it was just a great place to discover up and coming new talent that was like unheard of.
So basically, you're doing the live version of what we're doing, because our
Yeah.
platform is for persons who are not being seen and heard within the music industry. So
Exactly.
kudos to you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Kudos to you.
Thank you. Right, so your event will be happening on the 7th of June,
7th
which
of
is
June.
this Friday.
Yeah.
Where is it going to be held?
It's going to be at Lunar Lounge, which is in Leytonstone.
Okay.
It's a nice little independent music venue. It's run by a couple.
Okay.
Suja and Erica, big up yourself.
So we don't know where Leytonstone is. Leytonstone is East London venue. So if you don't know East
Google
London, just get to know East London.
Yes.
Leytonstone, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know, even though I'm not from Leytonstone, you know our place. I've
World
been there
traveler.
loads of time. Yeah.
World travel.
You don't know.
Yeah.
So people, our show is in Leytonstone. So top up your ISA card from now. Don't know.
So when we come, so top of your Oyster card because it's Friday, and then it's what's it? Isn't it 24-hour service on Friday and Saturday?
It
So
is. And it's on the Central Line
on the
as well.
Central Line, so
Central.
you should be fine.
Yeah, it's like 1 minute from the station as
Should be
well.
fine.
So
So-
there are no excuses.
Top up your Oyster cards and make your way over to Lunar Lounge, yeah?
Because we're drinking responsible.
Yes.
Because we gotta promote that.
Yes.
If you're gonna drink, please don't drive. Take the tube or the bus.
Yes, all night now.
Exactly.
All night.
Yeah.
You get me?
yeah.
No excuses.
So top your ISO card up. London have 24-hour transportation
On Friday.
back and forth to your home. So top your ISO card up. I don't want them to hear like the Upnlive show has been promoting like all this kind of negative vibe.
No, strictly
Top your ISO
positive.
card up.
Absolutely.
If you
No.
don't drink, don't drive. If you drive, please don't drink.
Simple. And what can we expect on Friday night? I know that it's a live event, hip hop, R&B, but what can we when we come to your event on Friday? What can we as your patrons expect?
Okay, so I think it's a really kind of unique experience because it's not just like any regular open mic night.
No, it's not even like an open mic or a showcase.
It's kind of like you go in and you kind of met with. Okay, initially I met with my mum.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
My mum
stuff.
is on the door with her husband, and she's so funny. She used to be a primary school teacher, so. Bearing in mind, you got like these rappers coming down and everything,
Yeah.
and she's saying, right, do you want, because my band name used to be Delphi, she was
Okay.
like writing on their name, like on their hands, you can either have a D for Delphi or a smiley face.
So okay, guys,
Depends how
remember
much you pay.
on the door.
How much you pay? It's a
On the
smiley
door.
face or a D?
Boot camp security, yeah.
Security's tight.
Done now. Tight security.
With a smile.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so we're expecting mom and her husband to be on the door.
Yeah.
When we enter, what can we expect?
So basically, you're gonna have some really nice kind of like chilled R&B music. It's a very friendly atmosphere.
Welcoming.
Yeah, very, very welcoming. It's basically made up of a lot of the artists, all
Okay.
of their friends, all of their family.
members,
So
right.
it is a very sort of like homegrown, intimate affair. I know I keep using that word,
Yes.
but it's very. you feel like you're really part of a unit. It's not just something that you're just kind of like...
Yeah, the venue helps so much as well.
Yeah.
You go in upstairs, there's already people playing live music upstairs, and you
Okay.
know, vibes in, they're all kind of like open micers, and then you go down like these stairs, open a door, and it's like this little, you know, those basement vibes. And then you come downstairs and people are smiling, you'll get to know each other. The stage is so close as well that everyone's involved.
It's like an intimate
Yeah,
kind
yeah,
of vibe.
yeah.
Right.
Okay, so
yeah.
tell us something. Are you guys instrument players, singers, rappers? Tell us a little bit about
Yeah,
about
so-
yourself.
Right. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so, well, it's a bit-
Mostly locksmith. That was question
yeah.
was mostly
Well,
for
do you want to
locksmith.
take this one?
I don't mind. So Esther, what she does is, no, I'm joking.
She already told us
Yeah.
what she does.
No,
yeah?
so I'm
for
a
you,
rapper,
yeah.
mostly. I'm a dancer as well.
Okay.
Beatboxer, and I play guitar.
So will we be getting a sample of all that?
No
on Friday?
guitar, but maybe the
Why?
rest.
No,
Maybe.
Yeah.
We're advocating
You're
for the
gonna
guitar.
get probably you're gonna get beatboxing, dancing, and rapping.
We're advocating for the guitar. So
Yeah.
think about
Yeah,
today's
advocating for
Tuesday.
guitar.
You have Wednesday and Thursday and Friday morning to think
Yeah, you need to get
Right,
that
Esther?
I'm
together.
such a busy man now.
Wow. Wow. And Esther, which other artists can we look forward to seeing on the show on Friday?
Okay, cool. So we got 4 other artists. So there's
Mhm.
5 in total. I've got a really awesome female producer called Hezen. And she does kind of like ethereal, like trip hop, electronic music. And I just want to say, 2% of the music industry is represented by female producers.
Okay.
And
Easy.
like,
That's good.
no, it's
That's
not
bad.
good.
I mean, it's bad, but
The
I mean, it's
statement-
good that they're even on it,
Yeah.
which is good.
Yeah, so it was really important for me to give a platform to her because I mean she's an incredible musician. Anyone who comes to see her will they'll see that. You know?
Yeah.
So yeah, I really want to
Showcase.
support that. You know. So we have a guitar player and singer called Chris Freeman.
Okay.
He kind of gives Craig David a bit of a run for his money.
Whoa!
Oh, that's
Vocal
interesting.
That's
Yeah.
a big statement.
That's
yeah?
interesting.
So people, if you go
We
to
need
this
to be
show,
Leytonstone
please
this Friday.
post the
God.
whoos are the woes.
What is it? Trust me.
Right.
That's a
Craig
big
David
statement. You know what I mean?
He's
Craig
gonna come
David,
down
yeah,
as long as he's
yeah,
topped
man.
up his Oyster cards. You know
That's
what I'm saying?
it. That's it. Right. So it seems to be a good lineup. Where can we get tickets for the show?
Okay, so we're doing everything through our Instagram, which is just Judgment Free Friend Zone.
Right. All in one word.
All in one word.
So that's JUDGEMENT
Yeah.
FREEFRIEND ZONE.
That's the one.
That's where we get our tickets from for
Yeah.
Leytonstone on the 7th of June.
Yeah, there's like a link in the bio.
There's
you can
a-
literally
click
click get tickets,
Get
and it goes to
tickets.
Eventbrite.
We were there on time.
Mm.
So seeing that you're performing on Friday,
Yeah.
we're going to put you on the spot.
Is it?
All-Star.
Ooh.
What kind of spot?
We're going to ask you to give us just
Listen,
spit
yeah.
some bars.
What do you want? Writtens or freestyle off the dome?
Listen,
Do what?
before we go to the bars, yeah, gonna do a special performance. Can you say you're gonna do a bit of beatbox? So take it over.
Oh yeah,
Give me a
beatboxing.
beatbox.
Alright.
Give me something hits,
Oh, wait, there.
hot, and yeah, I was trying to read him into it, and he just
Listen,
freestyle on it.
I didn't come here prepared. No, I'm joking. Alright, I'll do something quick beatboxing. Yeah, 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 boat, boat, yeah, 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 boat, Judgment-free friends.
Nice.
Yes.
Nice. So that's
Nice.
a sample of what we were seeing on Friday.
Yeah, and you actually have me freestyling with other beatboxers.
Don't worry,
Right?
you-
I'll give it all away.
You're gonna get a chance to do that now. So Dragon All Star.
Alright, I'm gonna try and freestyle off the dome just because it's fun on the old radio. Yeah, 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 yeah. Like where did I go? Yeah, 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 yeah. Yo, biggest boys, yeah, we beat them. Radio TGM. Whoa, whoa. Radio TGM. Take out the G, my real name Tan McCune, that's TM, yo. No copyright on the ting, but man copyright, no TM. Like, yo, I go far, yo. No vex, no crowbar. I said, trust me, we go cold like snow does. Everybody wanna come through with me shoulders. No cold soda, but I back it off, rack it off, stack it off, man, I go, wah! Trust me with a big boy. Man, I come through family cars. Nah, I'm not your family, majesty. Man, I go insane with family on road TRO, that's where we go. Everybody know that. They don't know that. Man, a G, me, L to the O, locksmith, and we be out here every day. G, like, let me go. Heavy flow, let her roll. One leg, let her roll. Better flow, letter, envelope, that's where the letters go. Yo, see me out here cause I'm better than. Yo, like David fam, I'm the letter man. Let me chat that, back chat. Oh, he's going in. Let me spit some grind bars. I'm gonna have to bleep out the swear bits, yo.
Yes, please.
Yes, please. TGM, yo, cause he like TGM. I like TGM.
Let's go!
Yo. Locks, no not to battle him. Bars give a battering, bottom lip chattering. DK Avengers 42 backing him. And we'll beef with the boss, so I don't clap a ting. Clap a ting. Aye, this beat is old school. Who made this originally? Havana Rhythm, Rough Squad. It was, I remember Crazy Tits on it with Leafy Beats. Aye, I'm hearing bear gun talks, but I don't see no gun. Aye, that's a Crazy Tick. Let me spit my own bars, yo. Let me come back again. This is too much. Yo. This is a calm thing. Listen, there ain't nothing like this. Still young alive without kids. Still love my wife without rings. Still cuss at times when I'm pissed. Still cups refill to the gas flows. No time for the pics, don't tag those. Depict the wave like producers, stone like Medusa. Feels coming out by themselves like a tax code. Yo, phone DJs, couple wheels, yeah I rap those. Smells like holiday, but I'm still back home. Keep going, don't look down, like backstroke. Yo, and I don't know what my. Keep it waving, never flop. Yo, switch the beat, I'm never missing that drop. Yo, go through the ends and I leave for a little bit. Hey, better lock my phone like they're missing on lots. Like, yo, locks, no not to battle him. Bars give a battering, bottom lip chattering. DK Avengers 42 backing him. And we through the bar so I don't clap a ting. Don't start, no not to start. Shh, go to artist, big up white artist. Face I could feel effects when I spark it. Set it like when I write lyrical artists. Like, sick guy, I disagree. Seen his face when he tried this to me. Retaliate with my lyrical archive. Cynical laugh, I be nuts. That think they could par mine. Wannabes would stand out in the dark even if it was half blind. And scat saying and did around, but trust he gone see bloodshed past 9. That's watershed. I'll make a grown man cry like his daughter's dead. Flip the world upside like a quarter fed. Takes me side without boring legs, man up.
Listen, yeah?
Stop it, locksmith.
You can pick some lock, yeah?
Yeah.
Locksmith.
Let me see if I can pick this one, yeah?
Alright.
Let me get some bashment thing, yeah? Old school style.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to freestyle for this, like. I give him one, yo, I give him two. I give him lies, yeah, then I give him truth. I give him slims, cause I give him blues. But I'm a big winner, cause man, I never lose. Let me come with the one bar thunder, cause come like Zeus does. Trust me, no war thing, we gonna choose, cause got the 1, 2, throwing up the deuces. You know what the truth is, gamble for the twos. Is I gamble it the dice, they be rolling down the stripper. Trust me, we got the big things. Gotta hold back the swearies. Trust me, I never carry, man, I do this for the, ayy. Kill him with it. Yeah, I'm swimming with it.
What's the next we're gonna be right now? Let's go!
I'm sticking with it. Rolling with the G's though. Trust me, in the ends, that's the G code. Oh, CR0, CR7, repping for the south. You know I'm rolling with my people. Trust me, never staring through that people. Trust me, locksmith, open keyholes. Hey.
If you want to hear any more,
Don't know.
Off the dome, come on.
Now you know.
Exactly.
This is a little teaser why you should come out for the show.
Luna Lounge, 7th of June. Get your tickets. Judgment
That's
free. Friend zone.
in a
Instagram
Leighton
page.
Stone, so top your ISIS card up because we're gonna get drunk.
And
We're
watch
gonna
out
have
for
a good
Craig
time.
David.
Yeah.
And watch out for it. They say he's better than Craig David, so
Yeah.
if not, you know
what to do.
don't
Thumbs
break
up
no fight.
or thumbs down.
Buy some drink and throw on stage. It's fine.
No, we're not doing that.
As long as you buy drink, throw on stage. It's
You
all
gotta be
good.
responsible.
No, but
Exactly.
You gotta be
I'm walking away.
responsible.
Exactly. Yes,
You know-
sister, go ahead.
And I heard the artists prefer getting wet up with champagne. You know what I mean?
You know what I mean, mate?
So if you buy some champagne with you, it's no problem, love. Champagne.
Okay.
Crystal.
Okay.
So
So-
come down, cash out.
Yeah.
ISO card top.
Yeah.
No driving.
Yeah.
Luna Lounge.
7th
That's
of
in
June.
Leightonstown.
Leytonstone, yeah.
Yep. We're gonna go out party, so no driving.
No
Please
driving.
take the tube.
Yes.
It's gonna be a good night.
Yes.
You see what's happening in TGM Radio right now. If you're locked in
You're gonna
online,
have to see more.
okay.
You got to
Right?
see
You,
more.
you have to be up and live at Luna Lounge on the 9th of June.
Yes.
Mhm.
Anything else you want to add, Esther, before you
Yeah, I forgot to mention two of my other artists.
Go ahead.
Just very, very quickly. We have got Soundtrack, who is a producer and R&B singer
Okay.
from... no, you're from Croydon.
I think I might
You're
be.
from Croydon.
Well, the oyster
He's
classes.
from Watford.
Okay.
He's from Watford. Yes, I'm really excited to see him. He talks a lot about mental health
Okay.
in his music as well, depression, which I think is really, really
important.
very, very important.
Yeah.
So he's sick. And then the baby of our group, we've got a girl called Rochelle Williams, and she's only 21.
Okay.
But she's got a really deep R&B soulful voice. Like, you know, she's like, her voice is like older than
Yeah,
8 years, but
yeah.
she's like fresh. She's just starting out, and it's going to be like one of her biggest shows to date.
So, which is why your platform is there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, and also, yeah, my best friend also hosts the night. Her name is Tribe of Talawa.
Woo. Big up Tribe of Talwa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Don't know.
she is a bit of spice.
No worries. So we're looking forward to that.
Yeah.
So again, judgment-free friend zone.
Judgment Free Friend Zone.
Instagram. Click the link in your bio.
Yeah.
Sends you straight to the tickets.
Yeah.
7th of June.
Yeah.
Luna Lounge, Leytonstone.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So
ever
people
so
go
much.
and check that out. That's right now. We got two very, very special people inside studio. Look out for their show. That one is in Croydon. No, sorry, Leytonstone.
He's from
Oh
Croydon.
my God.
Yeah. We're not going
Everyone
to
loves Croydon, man. You are just throwing
Check
it
that
out.
out.
Yeah.
That one's gonna be off the chain. You know, we got. I think we're gonna be.
there.
Yeah.
Please.
Please come.
Let me just check my calendar, but if we are free, we're definitely gonna be there 100%. You know,
Yeah, we-
I might
Right.
give you a cheeky free guest list.
you don't know. Waiting up somebody with champagne 100%, because you know.
No, we're not doing that. But we'll come and support you nonetheless. Yeah.
Yes.
Listen,
I'd
if
love
it's
to
not
have you
Crystal,
there.
get a secret to put us out. Anything else?
Right. So
Out.
we're looking forward to that, and we wish you all the very best,
Thank you
Esther.
so much.
And I mean, if any other events, just link up the Upnlive Show team.
Definitely.
We'll definitely
We've
support
got one
you.
in 2 months' time as well.
Right.
So.
So you have it. How often do you have it? That was an important question. You should have asked.
I mean, this is our 4th event that we've done so far.
Okay.
And we've got 2 months in between, so the next one's going to be 17th of August.
Nice. So
yeah.
no problem. So guys, you need to put it in your calendar. You have the 7th of June, 17th of August.
Yes.
And we'll get further updates from your page.
Hell yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Thank you ever so much for passing
Thank
through.
you.
Thank you very
It's been
much.
an
This is
absolute
the-
delight.
This is the Upnlive Show. That is on TGM Radio every Tuesday between 9 and 11. DJ All-Star.
So listen, the special public service announcement. Want to say big up our sponsors, Shish Print, Falls Print. This show was produced by Royal Mike Entertainment. I want to say if you're interested in Manchester area, remember Ding Dong and TJ come to town. That's on about the 25th of the month called August. That's in Manchester Academy. Yeah, that's Manchester O2. So if you're in Manchester, just check out that show. You know where they're on the show there. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be off the chain. And remember, this big bad 2-day event is all about drink and rave in Manchester. So you know the part them and I have to say nothing more. Just Google it on the Instagram or the Google search. It's a fully bad show, B. If you not know about that show, there's something wrong with it. But right now,